Sick and tired of waiting weeks for your deliveries? What is the real cost of handling warranty claims? Time, logistics, paperwork. How do you plan to build your company's prestige in 26? By offering exactly the same product as everyone else? Wouldn't you rather offer a legend like Sparko based on OXIMO technology that your competitors simply cannot copy? I'm Oscar and I've got the silver bullet you've been looking for. We are OXIMO, the largest Polish wiper brand, and we are here in the heart of Europe, ready to make a business with you. Our warehouse is full with over 2.5 million units. Big orders, small orders, no problem. Our operational capacity is up to 10 40-feet containers per day. Our complaint rate is a mere 0.2%, and honestly, life's too short to sweat the small stuff. Our bestseller multi-type series fits 99% of vehicles on the European roads. We've got your back with full marketing and software support. For your customers, finding a right fit is a piece of cake, since we are fully integrated with TechDoc. Plus, we can plug our fitment engine right into your website. We are the exclusive European distributor of Sparko Corsa windshield wipers.
OXIMO.